Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing animated template in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. Plus first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and tutorials like this. So let's start. First of all, we are going to go to shapes, and from here what we're going to do is open up this arrow and insert it into your template. Next we are going to rotate it into the complete opposite side like this. And then we are going to rotate it a bit that the arrow size is equal and straight to the corner of our template, and then we are going to increase the arrow size and put it up right here and increase its size a bit more so that we cover half of the slide with the arrow. And make sure there is very little space in between the corners, the two corners where the arrow is pointing towards. Now we are going to copy an image from the previous slide and then paste it on this slide and then send it to the back in the background. The next thing we are going to do is select this arrow, and then we are going to go to shapes and click on we are going to intersect this. Now send your image to the back, duplicate it and cut it, and then we are going to go to format shape. From here, for this image, let me just give it some shadow so that when we copy it, the arrow is now in front. We have changed the arrow settings to slide background fill. Now we are going to give the arrow some shadow of white color, and let's just increase its size blur to full. And then we are going to go for the outline. Now let's give it some glow of 21 and transparency of half. Here we go. Yeah, so here we are. The next thing we are going to do is close the format panel, and we are going to paste our text box and insert our main title. Type whatever you want to use as your title. Now let's increase the size, change this font to a bold font. So this is the final result after giving animations. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you like this video. And also comment down to let us know about your opinion. You can buy this template from the link, you can get this template for free from the link in the description below.